How to blur the video on YouCut application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using YouCut application for your video editing, then you might find this video helpful. So first, simply open up your YouCut application and just click on your plus icon and select new project, and from over here you just have to select any of the videos that you want to blur. So let's say I want to blur this video in the middle of this part over here. So what I will do is just click on this. Let me just turn down the volume. So let me just point out the section where I want to blur, and I want to, let's say I want to blur from this section to this section, and I'll just select on that particular section, and from over here I'll just scroll right ways and until you see the option called opacity. So what it basically does is it increases or decreases the opacity, the transparency of your video. So you don't have to click on any blur option, it will just automatically blur your video just like this. As you can see, you can also continue your transparency by simply increasing or decreasing it over here. So if you completely want it blur, you can just disable it by completely putting it to 0, or if you want a little bit of transparency, you can go over to 10 or 8, just like this. So let me just completely blur it, and for this video, so as you can see, my video has been successfully blurred just like that. So that is exactly how you can easily blur your video on YouCut application. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.